Are you tired of digging through Zoho Books settings just to add a location? Set up your first location in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in the settings menu to add a new location. Follow these 7 simple steps.
First, open up Zoho Books to get started. Then, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now, from the Settings menu, select Profile. In the Profile section, click on the arrow down next to the current location. You can either type a location or choose one from the drop-down. For example, click on United Kingdom. Once that's done, click Save. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.